Okay, so it's freezing cold outside. It's wet. It gets dark at like 5:30.
Well, I work till 4, and then everything else closes at 5.
There's still stuff to do. Hey, and welcome to our kitchen. Today we're gonna make the one, the only
S'mores!
s'mores. We love s'mores, but you may be saying, Kelly, it's too cold and it's snowing outside for s'mores. Well, think again. What are we gonna do, Will?
We're gonna make s'mores.
Inside! We're gonna see if a microwave is better, a toaster oven, and we're gonna put all these wonderful things on top of it as well, such as Reese's Puff! Reese's Puff!
Whatever these are called.
Yeah, I found those at Kroger.
And caramel. Get ready to get some bougie s'mores. Okay, so Kelly, do you happen to know if it's better to toast or to microwave?
I'm gonna toast it.
And I guess I'll be the nuclear guinea pig.
We got mini Reese's, and I'm gonna stick.
Let's see if toasters or microwave ovens reign king.
You think it's gonna explode?
It's moving.
Keep it.
No, I don't want to.
Oh, keep it.
No, it's making a mess.
All right, hold on, move aside. Let the people see that your decision was the wrong decision.
I don't remember making this decision.
Okay, I'm trying the toaster. All right, people, let's see the good decision.
How's yours coming along? Mine only took 5 seconds to explode.
Okay.
Okay, comment down below if you cut your sandwiches in rectangles or in
Butterflies.
triangles.
That's the only way to do it. Oh, look at that.
Beautifully melted.
Was the microwave worth it?
Look at all that juicy melt. I think if I'd eaten it right when it came out, I think nuking it's the way to go.
Oh, my marshmallows. Look at that big old fat toasty toast. There we go. Look at that. That is from broiling, folks. Broiling.
Hey, Kelly.
This chocolate looks a little sickly.
I wouldn't use that chocolate.
I'd probably throw it away. Douse it in caramel!
Really? That's not how utensils work. Oh, look at that crunch.
There's not enough marshmallow.
You eat s'mores like you eat pasta. Only marshmallow. So what do you think of the caramel? What do you think of the cookie? What do you think of the toasted?
Toasting is the way to go. Cookies too much crunch. Caramel's pretty good. Marshmallow's perfectly cooked.
Wow.
I don't really taste like that campfire taste.
No smoke.
Nope. I just like the marshmallows. I'm just gonna toast another marshmallow.
Must say we are getting some awfully odd results with these experiments. I like to call this the hearty s'more. What are some hints or tips or suggestions you would make?
Put it in the toaster oven. Put it on a cookie instead of a graham cracker. It has chocolate on it because that was the best.
That was very good. My recommendation is Reese cups all the way.
Reese's cup!
Yes.
Okay, now time for the cookie challenge. As you can see, this is a very strange challenge, but the purpose is for it to start on your forehead and see who can get it to their mouth first with just using their face muscles. Who do you think is going to win this one? I don't want this.
No. Well, I guess we could just save it for Ellie when she gets back.
So there you are, folks. There are definitely things that you can do inside your house with your friend.
For your YouTube channel.
That's really fun, and you can have an adventure in your own house.
There it is. There's so many other things too. We've only scratched the surface. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
We thought the toaster was the best, but this is the best. By the way, this is how you start a fire when you don't know how to start a fire.
We're gonna see.
Don't cough on them.
Just knocked it out of my hand.
The mellows.
I'm gonna have to talk louder.
First, we're gonna have to proportion the mellows.
Okay.
Remember, guys, always clean the microwave. You don't want to end up in the doghouse.